birds, and in that we have learned spellings too. Which were they? Crow, duck and cock. Now we will learn about 4 more birds and we'll get information about these birds. आपको जानना है वो birds कौन है? They are parrot, hen, peacock and owl. So let's watch a video.
Now kids, this bird, we keep it as a pet. It has a red beak and a black collar in the neck. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a parrot. And the spelling of parrot is P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. One more time. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Bird gives us eggs. And which is that bird? Yes, it's a hen. The spelling of hen is H-E-N, hen. The next bird is an owl. Children, do you know? An owl sleeps during the daytime and it remains awake at night. There is one more fact related to an owl. Do you know that? An owl can rotate its head all around like a circle. And now the spelling of owl is O-W-L, owl. One more time. O-W-L, owl. Kids, it's a picture of a peacock. It is the most beautiful bird with beautiful feathers, isn't it? And do you know, it likes to dance when it is raining. Yes, it spreads its feathers and dances in the rain. It is our national bird too. And the spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. One more time. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock.
Now it's spelling time. Let's write in your EVS notebook. First spelling is parrot. Children, you have already learned the spelling of parrot in pet animals. And what is the spelling? Yes. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Let's write one more time. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. You will write 4 times and stick the picture of parrot. Leave one line. Next spelling is of hen. Hen की spelling भी हमने सीखी है, right? What is the spelling of hen? H-E-N, hen. One more time. H-E-N, hen. You will write 4 times and stick the picture of hen. Third spelling is peacock. Children, you have learned spelling of cock, right? तो peacock के आगे पहले हम लिखेंगे P-E-A and you have to write the spelling of cock. What is the spelling of cock? C-O-C-K, peacock. Again, P-E-A and cock. C-O-C-K, peacock. Write 4 times and stick the picture of peacock. And the last spelling is owl. And the spelling O-W-L, owl. Again, O-W-L, owl. You will write 4 times and stick the picture of owl. We have learned spellings of these birds: parrot, hen, peacock and owl. Till now we have learned 7 spellings of birds. And which were they?
Now let's revise one more time. crow, duck, cock, parrot, hen, peacock, and owl.
Now it's activity time. In your EVS activity book, page number 5656. Let's start. Who am I? Okay. First we will read description. In that, I am the national bird of India. Children, who is the national bird of India? Yes, peacock. So we will write the spelling of peacock. What is the spelling? P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Next, I am a green bird with a black collar. I can speak. Which bird is this? Yes, parrot. Now write the spelling of parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. And the last. I am a black bird. My voice is harsh. कौन सा bird है? Yes, crow. Write the spelling of crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Next is color the following birds. Children, you have to color the picture of hen and parrot. Color it very nicely, children. See you. Bye.